Ever been stuck in traffic and thought, this would be way better with a movie? Well, BMW took that idea and ran with it, straight into the back seat. Meet the BMW Theatre Screen, a 31.3-inch 8K ultra-wide display that folds down from the ceiling of the 7 Series and i7. It's powered by Amazon Fire TV and paired with 5G streaming, surround sound, and even automatic seat reclining and ambient lighting when you hit theatre mode. It's not just a screen, it's a full-blown cinema lounge on wheels. This luxury upgrade, it'll set you back around $3,700. You're late for work. It's 6 a.m. and your car is buried under a foot of snow. Now imagine clearing it with a broom that lights up. The Snow Joe, also called the Illiman broom, combines a snow broom, ice scraper, flashlight, and emergency blinker into one telescoping tool. It extends up to 52 inches and uses 4 built-in LEDs to help you see what you're doing in the dark. It's clever, compact, and actually useful, especially if you live where winter means war. It costs $35. You ever wish your car could move like a chess piece, sideways, diagonally, or spin in place? The Hyundai e-corner system gives each wheel its own mind, rotating 90 degrees for crab walking, pivoting, and zero turns. It's not just steering, it's choreography, engineered for tight alleys, stacked garages, and urban gridlock. Coming to Hyundai's Ioniq EVs by 2026, it redefines what maneuverability even means. This is four-wheel freedom, born in Seoul and built for the cities of tomorrow. You ever pop the hood, hear that click, and realize your car battery's given up on life? The EcoJump by ECOXGEAR is a rugged, waterproof jump starter that delivers up to 600 peak amps, enough to bring most cars, bikes, and boats back from the dead. It's got a 15,000 mAh lithium battery, a 200 lumen flashlight, and even Bluetooth alerts that remind you to recharge it before you're stranded. It's compact, overbuilt, and smarter than most drivers. You'll find it between $135 and $200. You ever try lifting a rooftop box onto a tall SUV by yourself? Yeah, good luck with that. The RazerLift is the world's first fully powered and automated cargo management system for commercial and recreational vehicles. With the push of a button, it lowers your rooftop gear to chest height, making it safer and easier to load ladders, boxes, or rooftop tents. No more sketchy balancing acts. It's a smart fix for tall vans and trucks, especially if you value your back. The system starts at around $2,500. Here's a fun weekend plan. Wrestle a 140-pound Jeep hardtop off your Wrangler alone. Or, hear me out, you could use the TopLift Pro V 2.0. It's a freestanding, garage-friendly lift that lets one person remove and store a Jeep or Bronco hardtop in under 2 minutes. No ceiling hoist required. It's fully adjustable for lifted suspensions and works even in tight garages or storage units. It's niche, but if you own a Jeep, it's a game changer. Expect to spend about $800. You've got the car, the camera, and the vision, but without stability, your footage is just chaos in motion. The Tilta Hydra Alien clamps to your vehicle with industrial vacuum seals, turning any hood or roof into a cinematic launch pad. It absorbs shock like a floating rig, cradling your gimbal through high-speed corners and off-road chaos. Built for creators who shoot like stunt drivers and edit like directors, it's the indie filmmaker's secret weapon. Expect to drop around $1,200 and unlock motion that looks like $1 million. It's a lifestyle. The Space Camper transforms your Tesla Cybertruck into a full-blown off-grid micro-home with a wedge-style pop-up tent, modular kitchen, solar panels, and even a shower kit. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's designed to match the Cybertruck's brutalist aesthetic while staying lightweight for range efficiency. It's wild, ambitious, and honestly, kind of beautiful. Pre-orders start at around $6,385, with full builds climbing higher. You know that sinking feeling when your car's sensors go haywire after a windshield replacement? That's where Auggie steps in. Developed by AirPro Diagnostics, Auggie is a portable ADAS calibration device that lets technicians recalibrate advanced driver assistance systems, like lane keeping and adaptive cruise, right in the shop or driveway. It uses a patented camera-based system and cloud software to ensure OEM-compliant calibrations without expensive static targets. Auggie systems start at around $11,000. Okay, this one looks like something Batman would keep in his trunk. The Clearview Tire Spider is a heavy-duty tire-changing tool that lets you lift, align, and mount spare tires, especially oversized ones, without breaking your back. It uses a pivoting arm and ratchet system to guide the wheel into place with minimal effort. It's overbuilt, over-engineered, and honestly, kind of awesome. You're looking at about $375. You've got a truck. Now you just need a way to get one into the other without snapping your tailbone. The Black Widow Trifold ramp is a 69-inch wide aluminum ramp that folds into thirds for easy storage, supports up to 1,500 pounds, and features serrated rungs for traction in mud or snow. It's simple, strong, and built for weekend warriors. You'll find it for around $300. Ever towed a trailer and realized your stock mirrors are basically useless? The Clearview Next-Gen towing mirrors are a sleek, dual-glass upgrade that extends outward for better visibility and folds in electronically when parked. They're vehicle-specific, vibration-resistant, and even come with heating, indicators, and blind spot monitoring. They look OEM, but function like a command center. A full set runs about $800 to $1,000, depending on your vehicle. You ever try adjusting your trailer hitch and end up on your back in the dirt, covered in grease? That's exactly what the Rhino Hitch was built to eliminate. It's the only adjustable drop hitch that lets you change height while the trailer is still attached. No tools, no disassembly, just a quick lever and lock system. With options for 2 inches, 2.5 inches, and 3-inch receivers and up to 16,000 pounds of towing capacity, it's built like a tank but moves like a scalpel. Depending on size and finish, you're looking at $515 to $565.